Yo guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another trade recap. If you're new to the channel, my name is Balo Trades and I document my journey to become a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So what I do basically is just document my journey, everything in between, the highs, the lows, the profits and the losses, trying to be transparent and realistic. As we all know, what we see on social media, it's not realistic, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, if you want to join the journey, if you want to join the grind, click on that subscribe button and that notification bell to get notified when I drop another video. So guys, just before we get into the video, don't mind my energy. As you guys know, I'm more energetic. Just today I'm just not feeling okay, but I'm still doing this, you feel me? So anyway, I haven't done one of these trade recaps in 2 weeks, just because it's nothing big. I've just been lazy to do them, because I do them usually on Fridays or Saturdays, and I've just been so lazy to do them. So I'm doing this one on Tuesday, which I haven't done it on Tuesday before. But yeah man, we're gonna get it. So the way I'm gonna conduct things, I'm just gonna use the camera on my phone to show you guys the trades that I took and overall my funded next dashboard. And oh, by the way guys, if you are looking for a reliable prop firm, I highly recommend the funded next. I leave the links in the description. They have some quite good reviews on it, and they've been, I think, operating for the past 3 or 4 years right now. So I have every reason to trust them myself. Leave the links in the description, and you could get a 5k account for as little as $32. And yeah man, all the links will be in the description. Yeah man, be sure to follow me on my Instagram account and my TikTok account. All the links will be in the description. So yeah man, without any further waste of time, let's just get into the video. Okay, just before we get into the actual video, I want to share something with you guys, right? So I personally think right now in my journey right now, I think I'm at that break-even stage, right? See, when you go from being a losing trader to being a break-even trader, then finally reaching the profitability stage, I'm kind of in the middle right now, right? Which is something most people don't talk about, because as I've said in my previous videos, I had this account, this 25,000 account, for the long course of time, right? I've been trading it for 44 days, right? I'm still on phase 1, right? I'm trying to be transparent with you guys. I'm still on phase 1. I've been trading it for 44 days, right? But I actually had the account more than 44 days. The 44 days just basically means I've executed trades for 44 days. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm at that break-even stage, right? What that basically means is that I'm good at not losing, but I'm not good at keeping my profits. But I'll make a more detailed video on that sooner or later. I don't know what you guys think. You'll throw in your opinion in the comments, right? Just to give you guys a more detailed approach, and just to give you guys more detailed video on my account, how it's looking like, every trade, every loss, every profit and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. And what else did I want to say? Oh yeah, I think that's it. So yeah man, we just kind of been breaking even. I had someone say, I think 2 weeks back, on my comment saying trading phase 1 for 37 days is crazy. Personally, I don't think it's crazy, because for me, I've improved a lot. I'm not gonna lie guys, because when I usually buy an account, I usually filled it within like probably like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Right now I had the account more than 2 months right now, so which is something to be proud of myself. I know some of you guys pass your challenges within the next 24 hours. As you know, journeys are not the same, so I'm just trying to take it a step at a time, trying to be patient, because if I try to rush into trades, it won't work out in my favor. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to take things step by step. So yeah man, let me stop talking and let's just get into the charts. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm gonna use my phone just to record this and make this as quick as possible, right? So I'm gonna make a trade recap for this week and for this week, so for the past 2 weeks. So as you can see, today is Tuesday, the 29th of July. We go into August. I hope to have a good month of August. But yeah man, let's start off with this one, which is Chef JPY. So Chef JPY actually holding this one still, and is currently not going as well as I thought. So we took this one on the 22nd of July. As you can see, imbalance was present. We took the trade from the 72% fib level retracement. This is a swing trade. I only swing trade, like I haven't been trading for like a month now. then the risk was 1%. Then okay, so what this is basically new, right? What this basically says, let me just show you the whole entire thing. So it says, are you sure, are you fully aware and made peace? Okay, I need this to show me all of the things. Okay, let me just summarize this. What this basically says that, do I really agree with the fact that this could be a loss, right? This trade could be a loss. Then I just type in a simple yes, just to consciously know that this trade could be a loser regardless of how the trade looks like, right? And this is the trade when you got tapped in. We had a clear range. Let me just tap on it. We had a clear range, then we had a corrective move to the downside and eventually got tapped in, and this is how it looks like right now. So as you can see, we got tapped in and moved straight into profit, and as you can see, we weren't really tapped out, as you can see from the top there, right? Arrived at that point, this point on my broker and even on TradingView, it didn't hit TP, as you can see. So as you guys know, I have a set and forget approach, so I'm just going to leave this the way it is. And I know you guys are going to say this is stupid, but guys, you have to understand that when you enter a trade, you risk a certain amount. What that basically means is that when the trade goes sideways, you are more than willing to lose what you have risked, right? So what I'm going to lose here is what I'm comfortable losing, right? This is my plan. I know your plan might differ from mine. I have a set and forget approach because it happened in many occasions that price almost tapped me out, then went down. Then usually I'd put my trade to break even and actually reversed back to my TP. It actually happened more times than I can think of, right? So I'm just letting this one, if it's a loss, it's a loss. There's always a trade around the corner. And yeah man, let's go to the next trade. So the next trade was basically simple. It was also a loss. So last week we took 2 trades, right? One still running and 1 loss, right, which is on USD CAD. So we took this one on July 25th of July. We closed this one on the 28th, which was on Monday, right? Everything checked out. I was fully aware that this could be a loser. Yeah, as you can see, are you fully aware and made peace with the possibility of this trade being a loss? Yes or no? I tapped in yes just to make myself aware. Okay, this could be a loss, right? And this was a simple loss. As you can see, this is how it looked like. I've taken better trades than this, but then this aligned with my plan overall for me. So as you can see, we hit that range. Excuse me, we hit that range, then we got tapped in, and the trade went straight to my stop loss, right? Which is no problem, right? Okay, now focusing on today's trades, this week's trades. So we took a trade on 28th of July, which was yesterday. Took a trade on Euro AUD. Took it on the 28th of July 2025. Closed it the next day and this was a single trade, so this moved quickly than I thought, right? And this is the most smoothest trades I've ever took in such a long time. Right, everything checked out. The risk 1%, and this one was actually a profit. This is how it looked like before. As you can see, we had that range, that liquidity sweep of the high, right? That range, we had an imbalance present, then you targeted the 0.72 fib level. And look at this. Okay, so I haven't, look at how it looked like right now. Let me just add this. I haven't updated my trading channel. This is how it looks like right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, we got tapped out. Come on, man. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, nice trade overall, right? Took it yesterday, then closed it out today morning, I think. Or by the time I woke up, it was already TP hit, right? Nice trade overall. The next trade that we took, which I have no confidence in, took it yesterday. We haven't closed this out. July the 28th is when we took it, and everything checked out, and this is how it looked like when it tapped us in, right? But this one I have no confidence in because of I've correlated it with other pairs, and other pairs look to be selling. Like the Euro pair, the USD pairs seem to be selling, and I'm looking for a buy here. So and I saw this today morning. I was like, okay, this could be a loss, right? Which I'm fine with, by the way. So let me just show you how the trade looks like right now. As you can see, going towards my stop loss, which I have no problem with, because look at euro, look at GBP USD, which is also a correlating pair. Look at GBP USD, we just broke structure right here. So GBP USD, we left an imbalance and we have a new range, so we could be selling a little bit, then retrace up to the down, retrace back up and go to the downside. And as you can see, Euro AUD, which is another correlating pair. Okay, this one I didn't take it, but if I took it, you saw what was gonna happen. So I really think this one's gonna hit stop loss, which is okay. Then what's next? Okay, then I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at for now, right? So right now I'm just monitoring this one, which could also be a loss, right? Which could also be a loss. Monitoring this one, which could also be a loss. You could see we came to my TP, but didn't really hit TP, you feel me? Then my stop loss is still below there, and this one is about to hit stop loss. Then this one is what I'm looking at. So I'm just looking for this one to retrace back to the downside, tap us in and move back to the upside. But since this is the 4 hour, this might happen, I don't know, later on in the week, right? And NZD CAD, I'm looking at this lovely trade. As you can see, bullish impulsive move, then we kind of having a retracement. Then my level is down here, right, which aligns with this imbalance that I have on, right, which is a confluence for me. So that's what I'm looking at. So I'm about to show you guys right now my Funded Next dashboard. Okay, so we have arrived at my Funded Next dashboard. As you can see, the balance is kind of break even because I'm not even 1% profit. As I've been saying, we've been breaking even, right? So here is where I'm saying we had this account, we've been trading this account for 44 days, right? Still in phase 1. I haven't met any objective yet besides the minimum trading days. Oh, and Funded Next has minimum trading days of 5 days. We haven't hit our take profit, our profit target. And yeah, we've just currently been breaking even. So I want to show you guys how my thing is looking like, how my equity curve is looking like. So now as you can see, we had this account for more than 2 months because we started trading this account on April 14th and today is the 29th of July. So we had this account for the most longest of time, and again, which is something I'm proud of, because usually I would have failed this account way back then, right? But now we've just been currently breaking even. As you can see, we've just been consolidating right between the break-even point, right? But yeah, man, this is basically it. Not really much to show you guys besides the trades that I took. I don't know how many trades that I took. I think I took, okay, so it says here trades, I took 70 trades, which is crazy. But yeah, man, it is what it is. So that's basically it for you guys for today's video. I know things look a bit weird for today's video, but then yeah, man. So yeah, man, that's basically the trade recap for today. So as you guys saw, I showed you everything that you would want to see. I showed you my Funded Next dashboard. I told you that I'm on phase 1 for the past 44 days, which is, it is what it is, you feel me? I'm just gonna keep trading this until we pass this. Once I pass it, I'm gonna try and make profit and to purchase another profit account, you know what I'm saying? So my goal is to keep scaling up, you feel me? So hey, man, that's basically it. Hope you guys like the transparency. Hope you guys like the realistic side of trading. I showed you anything you could want to see. I showed you my trades. I showed you my dashboard. I showed you that I've been breaking even, but I'm gonna make a detailed video on that. So yeah, man, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. We just hit 7K subscribers, which is a good thing. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, man, let's keep it moving. Peace.